Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si John Mahinay. And today, our topic will be upgrades. As a well-known Gel Blaster YouTuber, I have endless messages on my Messenger, WhatsApp, FB business, asking what is the best upgrade. They want replace everything, upgrade everything, put an 11.1, upgrades going around 5,000 plus, and thinking that their unit will be better. It depends on the unit, but generally, what's that sound? Huh? Okay. Generally, you don't need to use that much money when upgrading your unit. And I'm going to prove it on, this is our demo unit is the WD-PDX, one of the cheapest unit that you can use, you can buy. And using only 2 upgrades, I can show you very significant quality of life improvements, better FPS, better range, better accuracy, that you will probably use up only around, you need only 2 parts. This one, this is the Gen 8 nozzle, air seal nozzle, and my very affordable hop-up. So 300 plus 200, so around 700 pesos. And this unit will become much better. And I'm going to prove it to you. Okay, so first things first, we're going to create a baseline. First, we're going to use our very wonderful Daybreak Chrono Tracer to check its FPS and my scope cam to show its accuracy on the 10-meter range. Okay, will be showing me firing? Going to see me firing? Yes, let's do firing. Okay, first, let's attach everything and prepare for it. Okay, now, so we're going to do a baseline. This is using the scope cam and the Chrono Tracer. The Daybreak T238 Chrono Tracer as checking on how accurate it is. Oh, the FPS. Okay, then let's try to firing. Okay, so let's stop the video on this one, and it's the FPS of this one is around, it's fluctuating from 221 to, not turn off. Is maximum of 254, minimum of 195, an average of 218. As in, it's, I don't know if it can be seen, but it is fluctuating a lot. So, it's really bad. So what we're going to do is that we're now going to open the unit and then upgrade it using only this one. Then later we will add the hop-up. Okay, and I will do it off screen. It will take far too long. Okay, so after several hours of tuning this one using that hop, see, I already removed this one. So new, now we're going to do, let's start the recording on this one. So we'll have sample, then here for the hop-up, the FPS test, and firing. Okay, stop recording. Now, the average FPS is around 220. Where is that? I'll also take a picture of this one. So I'll attach it. Now has a better average. So, if you have less fluctuating FPS, then you can have better accuracy. Now you have better accuracy, but without the hop-up, there's no range. Now, we're going to add the hop-up. Cut the video. Okay, now it has been assembled, and we'll be doing some accuracy test using hop-up, the upgrades, and also chrono test. Using this now because I can't put it, there's a hop-up already. First is the accuracy test. Let's do recording. Okay, blinking now. Accurate. Now we're doing FPS test. There's an outlier. Up, up. And is it visible? Yeah. See? 200, 222, 224, 225, 222. There's somewhat fluctuation, but 222. Accuracy. Diba? Just 2 parts, and it makes your unit much better. But again, there's also the knowledge factor on how to set it up. That is something you can learn by constantly watching my channel. Shameless plug. Anywho, this unit is actually now for sale. It is for sale, but it was 2,500 before. But now, since there's already a upgrade of that one opening, it's now 3,000 pesos. You basically have paying only for the additional labor for the tuning of this one and the hub assembly. No, not hub assembly. What do you call that one? The air seal nozzle. And also I replaced this one. I will say something about it later. It's very accurate for only 3,000 pesos. Excluding, of course, the scope mount, because this is more expensive than the unit itself. You'll get all of these. Comes with a battery and a charger. It's basically ready to use. Okay? It fell. So, that's more or less the video. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put them down in the comment section down below. I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!